Hello, I just come back. This is the sixth video I'm going to do this night. So, in continuation, I just want to show us some things again. Uh, Before I go, as I've said, any token that you have added or any token you have converted your Pi to, you are going to see it. That is why you are seeing my token. Here, any token that has been added to Pi blockchain, this is where you are going to see it. Here, this is more tokens. This is where you are going to see is any token they have added to Pi blockchain, that is they have tokenized it on the blockchain. This is where you are going to see it. So if you now click it, if you are interested in it, any of the token, you believe that in future the token can appreciate. If it is Bitcoin, you can swap your money to Bitcoin. You just come here, you click this at market price. It means you want to use the Pi you have to buy this token, which is what, BTC. So I'm just going back just to do a form of recap. That is for that. This one is my liquidity. It means any coin that I've provided or any liquidity that I've provided, I'm going to see it here. It means going by this interface, I've provided liquidity to how many coin? 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to provide liquidity, it must be 2 coin. You can see it's showing 2 coin. It means I use Archimedes and StreamSwap, Ball and TestPy, GCV and Pi, StreamSwap and TestPy. So it must be 2 coin. You provide half of the first coin, half of the second coin, then they add it together. It will be locked in a pool. That is just the summary of what is here. So this one is my pool, my liquidity pool. This shows that those coin that I've provided, those pairs, and let me say pairs, it means 2 coin. Those pairs that I've provided liquidity to, that is what we are seeing here. So this more liquidity pool, it means these are other pairs on the blockchain that I can add liquidity, I can provide liquidity to. This is what you are seeing here. Shey you understand? You can see dem, there are very many. So I just did just few. You can see, and even if there is a coin on the blockchain or a pair of coin that you like on the blockchain and that you cannot find them here under more liquidity, you can create it yourself. You can see they wrote looking for a pool or create one here. You can create. Let's click next. You can see there all those coins that they are all those pairs of coin they have provided liquidity to. Shey you understand? Next, you can see them. Next, you can see them here. So if I have interest in any pairs here, I can just click it and provide liquidity to it. What that one means is that if I click anyone, if I click for example this one, so before you can provide liquidity to any coin, you must have the 2 coin first. Shey you understand? For dis 2 coin now, let me just go back. I want to select a coin that I don't have. For you to provide liquidity to any coin, you must have the coin. Let me see, check a coin that I don't have. I don't want this video to be too long again. The coin that I don't have. So in summary, what I'm trying to say is that any coin you want to provide liquidity to, you must have both the 2 coin. That is what this one is telling us. Take for example, I want to provide liquidity to this one now. It means I must have this OSM coin first and I must have Pi. You know I have this pi. So if I click this one now, so this is it. So it means, for example, I have not provided liquidity. That is why all this place is empty, this one is empty, this one is empty. So let's assume I want to provide liquidity. As I've said, before you can provide liquidity, it must be pairs, that is two coin. That is why we are seeing the two here. It means if I want to provide liquidity for these two coin, I must have each of them. So if I come to deposit now, you can see for pi I have pi, for this one I no have this one. It means I cannot provide liquidity. It means before I can provide liquidity, I just need to go and buy this coin, to have this coin first before I can provide liquidity. Shey you understand? And to have this coin, I need to go back. What is the name of the coin sef? OSM. So I need to go back, come to my more token. More tokens mean all token are there. That is when I will just be looking for OSM. I will be looking for OSM coin. OSM, I think is at the OSM coin. OSM coin. Let us just be checking. See it here. I will now click it. Firstly, I need to add it to my token enable. Shey you understand? I need to on this very button, change. And to do that, they are charging me again with 0.01 test pi. So it has been added. If I close this one now, I must see the token inside my what? Let's go back. Let's go back. My token, you can see it here. So it means before I can provide liquidity for this OSM with pi, I must have something here. This balance must